Today, I'm going to teach you how to bold a link on Mailchimp. This is a great way to make your call to action links stand out in your email campaigns, helping drive more clicks and engagement from your subscribers. Let's dive right in. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to access your account by clicking the Login button. Enter your email address and password to sign into your Mailchimp dashboard. This will bring you to the main interface where you can manage all your email campaigns. Next, look at the left navigation panel and click on Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. From the list that appears, choose the campaign where you want to add your bold link. Clicking on it will open up the campaign editor, giving you access to all the design and content tools you need. On the email editor page, you'll see a variety of content blocks available on the side panel. Locate the text content block and drag it onto your canvas. This block is where you'll be working to create your bold hyperlink. Position it wherever you want the link to appear in your email layout. Now type in the text you want to adjust to bold. This could be something like "click here, shop now," or any call to action phrase that suits your campaign. Once you've typed it out, highlight the text by clicking and dragging over it. With the text selected, look for the text style buttons in the toolbar, usually located just above your text block. Click on bold or simply press the B button. This will immediately make your text stand out with a thicker, darker font weight. Once the text is adjusted to bold format, it's time to turn it into a clickable link. Look for the link icon in the toolbar. It typically resembles a chain link symbol. Click on this icon and a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the URL you want the bold text to link to. Type or paste in the full web address, making sure it includes http:// or https:// at the beginning for proper functionality. After entering the URL, confirm the link by clicking Insert or OK, depending on what your dialog box displays. Your bold text is now a functioning hyperlink, ready to direct readers to your desired destination. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on Save and Exit to preserve your changes and return to your campaign overview. And there you have it. You've successfully created a bold link in your Mailchimp campaign, making it more visually prominent and likely to capture your audience's attention. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.